Hello you! Welcome to Charisma May's YouTube page. Today's video is a quick strawberry farm tour at La Presa, Tuburan, Sergio Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte. So okay, let's proceed to the payment fee, which is 50 pesos, and then going forward into their strawberry farm. So let's walk to their side-by-side Mayana plants. Welcome to La Presa. And so, here goes my sister. A little bit clumsy. So, for today's quotes, we have here, walay free taste, kay dili ta uyab. So, okay, in here, you can borrow a native hat as well as a basket for you to pick the strawberry. I thought Mama is capturing a picture, but instead, she is videoing us. This is their white strawberry farm, and as you can see, there is no dot of pink because they already harvested the strawberry yesterday. So sadly, Mama here is just pretending to pick something, but well, the view is worth it anyway. So since strawberry is a seasonal fruits, and today they don't have any ripe strawberries since yesterday they already harvested them, making it into a strawberry jam or available ready to eat strawberry. The picking price for strawberry here is 10 pesos for one strawberry. I hope you can hear me because my sister is so annoying. And of course, the farm is also surrounded with plants and flowers. So we have here a colorful red, orange, yellow Mayana. And here I am going to the big giant strawberry. But first, rampa muna. And this is my sister. And of course, pahuli ba naman ako? And me. Welcome to Strawberry Farm La Presa. They also have this Instagrammable heart shape and this beautiful red, vibrant pink flowers. Wow. Kinda love this bunch. And of course, we're getting closer to this big giant strawberry. And yes. Welcome to La Presa.
Balik.
Welcome to La Presa.
Huligana.
Welcome to La Presa! I know, I'm a little bit annoyed with my sister's comment. Anyway, thank you my videographer. And now, it's time for our rampa. Therefore, contestant number 1, please presenting me. Naka-high heels ba naman sa farm? So therefore, irarampa na natin yan. So here we goes to contestant number 1. Miss Charisma May La Presa. And of course, hindi naman pahuhuli tong sister ko. So, contestant number 2 goes to Narlisa Joy La Presa. So, ganun lang, pasimpleng pa-cute. Okay na, proceed na tayo doon sa baba. So, medyo nakakapagod bumaba dito, lalo na pag naka-heels ka. So, this way na tayo upstairs, kung saan dito sa kanilang mga views. So they have here a beautiful bunch of flowers, and this is my mother and my grandma and our driver uncle. So kaway-kaway naman dyan. And yes, for our pictures, we have here introducing the girls. And with my sister. And of course me. And me. And me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel Charisma May, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell below to get notified every now and then for new videos. Thank you and God bless you more.